welcome to my review of Blackbird, a series from Apple TV. This is one of the best from Apple TV for sure for me. Taron Egerton, this might be one of his best role yet. I'm a fan, but in this series he showed, I think, a bigger range than anything else that I have seen him in. Maybe other people think differently, but for me, he's wonderful. Paul Walter and Ray Liotta are the two other main actors here. This is, of course, based on a book and true life story. Fantastic. Creepy as heck. Paul Walter played the serial killer. Wow. And if you stay to the end of the series, they show you the real people, pictures of the real serial killer. He looks so close to the serial killer Paul Walter did. The pork chop beard, one of the best on Apple TV for sure. It's only 6 episodes, so fairly quickly. I mean, I have to watch it every week, and I'm kind of glad that they didn't throw the whole thing out there. I believe that's how Apple has done everything. Everything that I have watched on Apple TV, they have released it weekly. I like it that way. I prefer slow release. I'm so over the binging of everything all at once in one day. Once a week was fine with me. As always, whenever I watch something that is based on real life story, I can't wait to go on the internet and do some research to see what part of the series was fiction and which part of this is real. But it is so well done. Highly recommend it. Okay, so if you're a fan of crime, thriller, real life story, give this one a shot. I'm certain that you will like it. Well acted, well directed, all around fantastic. Big thumbs up for me, Apple TV. Finally, you get one really good one. Bye-bye.